Did you make brownies today?
Knock, knock.
Quick, take off your dress. You won't notice the bed.
Check the kitchen floor.
Okay, knock yourself out, Larry. Yummy. Larry?
Oh, okay. I would ring the bell to distract him, and then I would knock the gun out of his hand with a Chinese throwing star.
Okay, Phoebe. Just get on the bike, and hey, I'll hold you up and push you. Okay?
Today, and he has no idea what's going to happen.
Yeah, you're just gonna knock on his door and change his life forever. You're like Ed McMahon, except without the big check. Or the raw sexual magnetism.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word knock. It means to strike a sounding blow with the fist, knuckles, or anything hard, especially on a door, window, or the like, as in seeking admittance, calling attention, or giving a signal, to knock on the door before entering. Also means to strike in collision, bump, he knocked into a table. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce knock, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to knock. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how knock is used in real life.
Knock on our door. Yeah, you're just gonna knock on his door and change his life forever.
Quick. I can't wait that long. You have to do something. Knock that door down.
I would.
Yeah, he doesn't like me. He had cheese knock over the sandwich table right when I was reading.
Knock. Knock that dog off her head.
You think you can knock up my daughter and then not marry her?
And then I would knock the gun out of his hand with a Chinese throwing star. Hang on.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.